In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your status in Slack step by step so your teammates always know what you're working on or whether you're available. Updating your Slack status is a simple but powerful way to improve communication, set expectations, and reduce unnecessary messages during your workday. Whether you're in a meeting, focusing on deep work, or stepping away for a break, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack and make sure you're on the Slack homepage. This is the main screen where you can see your channels, direct messages, and workspace navigation. Once Slack is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the app. Here, you'll see your profile icon with your photo or initials. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This opens a menu with several personal settings and options related to your account. From this menu, click on the option that says Update Your Status. When you click this, a status window will appear where you can customize what others see next to your name. Now, type in the status you want to set. This could be something like working on a report, in a meeting, out for lunch, or anything else that helps your team understand your current availability. Keep it short and clear so it's easy for others to read. Next, click on the emoji icon next to the status text. This lets you choose an emoji that matches your status, such as a laptop, calendar, coffee cup, or checkmark. Emojis make your status more visible and easier to understand at a glance. After selecting your emoji, move down to the Remove Status After section. Click on this bar to see the available options. Here, you can choose when Slack should automatically clear your status. For example, you can select Today, in 1 hour, or set a custom time, depending on how long the status should stay active. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Next, click on the Pause Notifications section. This setting allows you to control whether Slack notifications are muted while your status is active. When you click on it, you'll see options like Do Not Pause or different pause durations. Select the option you want based on whether you still want to receive notifications or prefer fewer interruptions. Finally, once everything looks good, click on Save. As soon as you do this, your Slack status will be updated and your teammates will be able to see it right away. That's it. Your status has now been successfully updated in Slack. Using statuses regularly can really improve team communication and help everyone stay aligned. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.